Alright everybody, so this is what we have left from our curled up full hair from yesterday. So of course we're feeling updo today, right? I am, I hope you are. And maybe I just want to do some braids. And I know not everybody can braid their hair. It took me a while to figure out how to braid my hair. Almost everything I do is just from feeling. As you can see, if you've been watching my videos, I don't really look at anything. It's all just from feeling stuff, you know? When I first started braiding my own hair, I just closed my eyes. I knew I had to take 3 pieces, braid them, weave them, whatever. That's what I did. So we'll braid this piece all the way down. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. When I do updos, there's really no plan. I just kind of try to do whatever, make it look cute. Braids always look good. Put a couple of braids in there, do an updo, pin some hair, braid some hair. It's always fine. Bring your hair out. You know, I like to fatten up the braid, pull it. Okay, so the top looks good. It'll be a cute little top. Maybe this side. Maybe this part right here. And we'll just do a braid right here. You know, just make it up as you go along. Hope for the best. That's what I like to do. Give it a little puff top here. We'll pull it over a little more. So it kind of lays nice, and we'll just pin it. We'll pin that down. Okay, so then we could just pull this back. And we'll pin it. Lift our braid up, we'll pull. Pull this side back. Pin it. Let's double pin it. It's kind of thick. Bring our little braid down. And we'll just pin our braid in like that. So now we have the bottom hair to deal with. We need to puff this, bring this a little bit. Alright, so in the back we have hair, you know, I'm just gonna fill it, pin it. And all I do is just wrap it up. pin it. Hope it looks good, you know. Nice little pieces hanging down here. Just stabbed myself in the head with a bobby pin. Ooh. Alright. Looks like we have some rogue hairs up here. But other than that, it feels alright back there. I don't know. You can be the judge. At least it's pinned up. That's all that really matters. Throw it up if it's cute in the front and it's just pinned up in the back. You could do some braids down here and bring those up. You know how we like to do that, but it's up, it's done. Cute little updo and done. We're ready for the day. If you liked the video, press like, do a big thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, and comment on the comments below and let me know what you want to see. Because I'll try to do it. I'll try anything once, alright? Bye-bye.